Almost all NRIs are interested to buy property in India, for which they generally avail a home loan. Now, it is important to understand a few things to keep in mind before availing a home loan. Let's get started. The rate of interest and the loan amount. While opting for NRI home loans in India, it is important to understand that the interest rates might be slightly higher also. This is because NRIs are viewed as high-risk borrowers by most of the money lenders as they reside outside India. Second is properties eligible for NRI home loan. NRIs like residents can avail loan of all types for the residential properties, whether they are under construction or ready to move in. NRIs can also apply for loan to purchase a plot as well as for their home renovation and home improvement activities. However, under the current FEMA regulations, NRIs cannot buy plantation, agricultural lands and farmhouses. Eligibility criteria. Now, when it comes to availing NRI home loans, an applicant needs to fulfill certain criteria, including their educational qualifications also. NRIs need to have a degree or a diploma and at least 3 years of work experience in a foreign land, or at least 1 year of overseas work experience with a professional degree. For NRIs who are self-employed, a high school, senior secondary or an equivalent certificate is also mandatory. Repayment of the proceeds. Now, RBI regulation states that an NRI home loan repayment is possible only through the balances in their NRI accounts, including both NRO as well as NRE accounts. Other than debits from the NRI accounts, the home loan amount can also be directly credited to with an international money transfer from a different country. Loan prepayment. Now, this point is important since a lot of NRIs repay their loan as well before the tenure. NRI home loans also offer a prepayment option. However, any prepayment must be made from the borrower's existing NRI account or through an international remittance from the abroad. Documents required. Now, obtaining an NRI home loan involves additional documentation compared to a regular home loan in India. Now, below is a list to keep in mind which could change as per bank also. To get your loan process, you should have copies of your passports and visas, your loan application form, a cancelled check, work visa permit, salary slips, work experience certificate, the past history of your NRI bank accounts, your property allotment letter. Additionally, the applicant will also need to execute a general power of attorney in favor of a resident Indian who will serve as the point of contact with the bank going ahead. As far as the eligible amount is concerned, while the NRI loan amount is generally driven depending upon the value of the property, certain other aspects like educational qualification, existing income, permanency of income are also taken into consideration while determining the loan amount that can be sanctioned. So before applying for a home loan, it is essential for an NRI to consider the above points. If you find this useful, join our NRI only WhatsApp community wherein we post NRI focused content. The link for the same is in the description below.